guys, hope everyone is doing alright. So this is just another unboxing video. Came in a pretty good packaging. So let's see what we got here. It's 2014 and 15 Camaro headlights. I think this is one of the coolest mods that you can do for your 5th gen Camaro. So she got that eyebrow and the sequential turn signal. Makes it look more like the 6th generation and gives the modern feel to it. So this is what I got for the instructions for the installation. I don't know what it says. So let's see what we can do with it.